Welcome to Echoes of Commerce. Today we are going to address an essential topic for the financial health of any home: how to prepare a detailed monthly budget. A good budget is the basis for achieving our financial goals and staying out of debt. Let's start with the importance of having a budget. This is a plan that helps you manage your income and expenses, ensuring that the money you earn is spent efficiently. Without a budget, it's easy to lose control and spend more than you earn, leading to serious financial problems. The first step to creating an effective budget is to identify all your income. This includes not only your salary, but also any other source of income such as rent, freelance work, investment interest, etc. It is crucial to have a clear and realistic picture of how much money comes into your home each month. This amount will be the basis on which you will plan all your expenses. Write down each source of income and add the total. This amount will give you a clear idea of your spending capacity. Once you have identified your income, the next step is to list your essential expenses. These are the expenses that you cannot avoid and that are necessary for your daily life, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, food, transportation, and insurance. It is important to be realistic and accurate when estimating these costs. Make a detailed list of each essential expense and write down how much money you spend on each one. This will give you an idea of how much of your income goes towards covering your basic needs. In addition to essential expenses, there are also discretionary expenses that include those for leisure and entertainment. These are expenses that you can adjust based on your financial situation. Examples include restaurant outings, vacations, subscriptions to streaming services, and clothing purchases. It's important to record these expenses and keep them under control to ensure they don't destabilize your budget. When listing your discretionary expenses, think about how much you can allocate to these areas without compromising your basic needs. A crucial component of any budget is the savings and emergency fund. It is vital to allocate a part of your income to a savings fund for future investments and to an emergency fund for unforeseen events. The recommendation is to have at least 3 to 6 months of essential expenses saved in an emergency fund. Writing down how much money you will allocate monthly to these funds will help you be prepared for any eventuality and build a solid financial future. Today, there are many tools and applications that make the task of creating and managing a budget easier. From Excel spreadsheets to mobile apps like Mint, Inab, You Need a Budget, and Pocket Guard, these tools can help you track your income and expenses, generate reports, and alert you when you're approaching your spending limits. Exploring and choosing the tool that best suits your needs is crucial to maintaining an efficient and up-to-date budget. Creating a budget is just the first step. It is equally important to check and adjust it regularly. Life changes, and with it your financial needs and priorities. Review your budget at least once a month to make sure it remains aligned with your current goals and circumstances. Adjust the amounts allocated to different categories as necessary and look for ways to optimize your spending. This constant review will allow you to maintain control and make the necessary adjustments to ensure your financial stability. Managing debt is a critical aspect of an effective budget. Including debt payments, such as credit cards, student loans, or mortgages, in your budget is essential. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt and consider strategies like the snowball or avalanche method to pay them off faster. Writing down all your debt payments and setting aside a fixed amount each month can help you reduce them effectively and keep your budget balanced. A budget is not only used to manage day-to-day expenses, but also to plan large purchases and achieve long-term financial goals. This includes saving for the purchase of a car, a house, or financing your children's education. Setting clear goals and defining a plan to achieve them is essential. Allocate a portion of your monthly income to a specific fund for these goals. This will ensure that you are progressing towards them without affecting your daily needs. In summary, applying a budget in everyday life may seem complicated at first, but with practice it becomes routine. For example, let's say you have a monthly income of $3,000. After allocating $1,000 for rent, $300 for utilities, $400 for food, $200 for transportation, and $100 for entertainment, you still have $1,000 left. Of those, you can allocate $500 to savings and $500 to an emergency fund. Thus, each month you are covering your needs, enjoying your hobbies, and securing your financial future. Remember to review and adjust your budget as your income and expenses change. This way you will stay on the right path and avoid unnecessary debt. Now that you know how to create and manage a detailed monthly budget, it's time to get to work. Remember, the key is consistency and adjusting your budget as your circumstances change. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Leave your comments and tell us what other topics you would like us to address. See you in the next Ecos del Comercio video, where we continue exploring the fascinating world of personal finance and economics.